Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to a new session of free business effective courses from the teachings of multi-millionaires. And welcome to session 7. Session 7 starting with the point 1 is sell a result of the product, not just the product itself. Always sell the result. And now moving on to the next point of session 7, image sells. You need to have a nice image of yourself if you want to sell. For example, buy a nice car, wear a nice suit. Your image pays for itself. Talking is something you need to be good at. If you are good at talking, you can sell anything. Learn to talk convincingly and be energetic and be engaging. And moving on to the next point of session 7, which is everything will go wrong all the time. Your best weapon against things going wrong is speed. You need to have high stress tolerance. Keep the money coming at all costs. And moving to the next point of session 7, which is if you can find a loyal person, find them a job. If you find a good person, hire them and find a job afterwards. As jobs appear, as your organization grows, you will already have loyal staff that you can reorganize to the jobs. And going to the next point of session 7 is aim way too high. The higher you aim, the higher you will get. Be realistic and do not be delusional. Never be content. Never be satisfied. Be greedy. Want more. You have to be pushing forward. And that's all, folks. That is the end of session 7. See you, folks, in the next session. Thank you and goodbye.